onto a piece of 240 gram approximately brown paper, cardboard, and we tighten the top line first and keep that 100% straight. Keep this all lightly off the tape. Okay, and then you pull out on this side and flatten the top. Get rid of that first. That's easy. It shouldn't give you too much troubles. Here at the back, you start working backwards, and you'll see that you have this round shape here, which is usually quite difficult to flatten. All you do is you use this motion, and you flatten this tape from the top downwards and stretch it out. Okay, ideally you should get that nice little curve on there. Next thing is we now have the front. So what we do in the front, this whole piece here is still loose. You see, it's only the back piece that is still stuck. So we take that and we pull it towards the front and outwards, and you'll see that there'll be a gap will open up here. And again, now the front piece is loose. It's only up to here that we have it. If these things break, just put it back where it should have been and carry on. Here I go again. So I pull forward and outwards. Oops, you see there it breaks. Not a train crash. Okay, see, it's opened like the gaps again. This is releasing the tension on it. Here in the front now, and this is not always the way it will happen. All funny things can happen. Here it now lies over each other. Now we've got to start flattening the tension from the top down. So we first go on a little piece on the top, and you rub that out. Top and rub out. Top and rub out. Top and rub out. Top and rub out. If you don't do that, the toe will go up and you will need to do adjustments. From the top downwards, top downwards, top downwards is the best way to flatten that. Okay, so this is what we call our form. And we write that on it. And like all patterns we do, you will write the last name. We usually use a shortening. Here we use ZU for the Zurich last, and the size of the last. And then we'll also put the date on here. Okay, so that we know exactly when we've actually made this last. Right, then we go and we cut this out. All along, cut properly, all along the outside, like this, in smooth motions. Don't worry about all these little dents and stuff like this. You go and you do a smooth cut. You'll see there's a lot of dents like there, which is caused by this opening up, and it's pulling that in. You need to make smooth, smooth, smooth lines going on this thing. Also, yeah, we will move the top. Don't try cutting to the little crevices and things like that. There's no crevices like that on the last. So there, we've got what we call our form.